Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit conventional blade on a small pin-type arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter by partially rotating the back part of the adapter up and then pushing it forward. The adapter should pop off. Next, remove the adapter from the package. To install the adapter on the wiper blade, orient the adapter so that the end with the tab is on the side of the wiper blade with the smaller hole. Then, align the center channel of the adapter with the cross pin of the wiper blade. Next, push firmly until the adapter clicks into place. Now, rotate the back part of the adapter outward approximately 45 degrees so that there is clearance for the pin arm to pass through the small hole of the wiper blade. You're now ready to install the blade. After you remove the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. Next, insert the wiper arm pin through the small hole of the wiper blade. Finally, rotate the back part of the adapter down until it locks the arm pin in place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Expert Fit conventional blades.